Who are you? Hello, I am Dolphin. Can dolphins swim fast? Yes! I swim very fast.
How do dolphins breathe? I breathe air through my blowhole. Why do dolphins jump? Jumping helps us move and play. Do dolphins live together? Yes, we swim in groups.
Are dolphins smart animals? Yes! Dolphins learn very quickly. Yes! Dolphins learn very quickly. Do dolphins use sounds? Yes! Sounds help us communicate. Why is your tail strong? My tail helps me swim fast. Do dolphins sleep in water? Yes, we rest while floating. Do baby dolphins stay close? Yes! Baby dolphins swim beside mothers. Can dolphins dive deep? Yes, I dive deep. Do dolphins help humans? Yes! Dolphins can help people in water. How do dolphins find fish? I use echo sounds underwater. Do dolphins like to play? Yes! Dolphins are very playful.
That was the highest jump yet! Look at the splash! Only the best for my favorite student.